In this video, I will walk you through how to bulk create designs for print on demand with Adobe Express, starting with a basic design. I want to create a birthday shirt and change the age number for every age from 40 to 100. I got this sentence from ChatGPT and checked that it is not branded or has any trademark or copyright. Then I started creating the basic design. It is going to be a very simple one, just a bold, big age number and the other text the same size. Now this is very important. Although they have the bulk create tool, they don't have the option to change colors after you create the page in bulk, only one by one. When you create a design for print on demand, you need the background to be transparent, so before you do anything else, click the background and change it to no fill. Then you can continue. If you want to change the colors of the text to make some variations, like for bright color shirts and dark color shirts, you can also change the text to different colors. I will show how to do that at the end of the video. Now, if you want to add an image, you can do that too. But some images can change color, so you can use them that way as well. You can also change the image in the bulk create if you want. I will show how to do that. Do the bulk creation only when you are ready to download the design as is, because every change you want to make after that, you need to do one by one. Another thing is that you can only create 100 pages. At least that's what I can create in my plan. So if you want to create more pages, you need to copy the design and create the other pages in a separate project. To create the bulk creation, you need a CSV file with one column for each thing you want to change. In this case, I'm only changing the age number, but you can change any text or image as you want. I created the CSV file with Google Sheets, starting by freezing the first row for the titles. Click the row with the right mouse button, then choose More and freeze first row. Next, add as many columns as you want to change in the design and add the changes. I added all the numbers from 1 to 100 in 2 columns because of the 100 pages limit. I'm going to use only the second column for this change. Now download the file as a CSV by clicking File, then Download, and find the option to download it as a CSV file. Next, go back to Adobe Express. Click at the top on Bulk Create. On the left side, you have a button to upload the CSV file, so find it on your computer. If the lines are more than 100, you will not be able to use it. Then click Next. Now you can connect any text to any column from the CSV file. On the right side, you see the layers of the page with all the texts. Click the element you want to change, whether it is text or image. Then on the side, click Connect, and you can choose from the list the column you created in the CSV file. You can now watch the results. To confirm that this is what you want to create, click Create Pages, and you will get all the pages. If you have an image you want to replace for each design, if you only have an image in the file, you can just upload any CSV file. Then on the next page, select the image and click Connect. Instead of adding it to a column, you can just click Create, and on the next page, you can add the images. You have the option to add multiple assets. Click it, and you will see a table. On the right side, you can upload all the images you want to replace for this bulk creation. Now you need to manually change the place for each one in the table, where you see the image you clicked, as bulk created elements in the previous step. You can also use the assets you already have on Adobe Express. You don't need to upload the same images each time. Click the plus button, and you can choose from the list the category of elements you want to change. For this example, I clicked Image. Now I can replace the images on the left side with the library items from the right side until you finish. Then click Done, and you can create the pages as new pages in the project. After you have all the pages, if you want to change the color of the text to another color, you can use the branded colors. Click Brand and find the Color tab. Now you can click Shuffle to get to the combination you like. You can also use other color palettes. Click Theme and then choose Color Palette. At the top, you have a Shuffle button to change the colors of the palette inside the design. Click it, and it will switch between the colors you have in your kit. If you have one color for all the text, it will change the whole text to the same color. You can't create colorful text. If you have a transparent background, the background will not change when you click the Shuffle button. Now you need to download all the pages you created to upload them to your print-on-demand service. Click the Download button at the top, then choose All Pages, and make sure it is set to download as transparent background PNG files. The pages will download to your computer as a zip file. You can open it and find all the images. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.